Hello everyone, welcome to Sir Parts Online, and today we're going to watch club match in chess.com. So we have our opponent. Our team is the Polog City Chess Association, and as you can see here, we will watch this is the board one. Our Carlo Martinez versus a national master in Chesley. This is Chesley. So on the round one, day one, hopefully this round we can win. Okay, let's look at other games. Manggubat. Manggubat. So we're losing. White is leading. Let's go to Sir Glenn. Okay, Sir Glenn has only 18 seconds. And opponent's also leading. About the game of Sir Fernando. Okay, Sir Fernando is leading. So is leading. The black is leading. But at the time, certain pressure. Just capture, okay. Oh, so it wins, win. Okay, it's a win. So will it win because a majority of the piece. Time, go, go, go. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, faster, woo. Oh, so sad. Time pressure. Okay, so let's look at other games. Let's go back to Carlo Martinez. Let's go back to the game of Carlo Martinez. So black is leading because of the pawns. Hope it can salvage a draw. I hope so. Check rook. Check queen. Can he manage a draw? I hope so. Check. I think so. Okay, then capture. Okay, I thought so. It's the black who's winning. Queen to queen. That's it. Okay. For our pawns versus 2. Time. Losing of time. Let's check for Manggubat. Manggubat. So they're already playing. So Manggubat lost on the first game. So Sir Glenn, let's see Sir Glenn. Let's look at the game of Sir Glenn. 5 seconds. Go Sir Glenn. I think Sir Glenn is leading. Go, go, go. Yeah, check. Capture that. Capture the pawn. Why not capture the pawn with king? Okay. Okay, Sir Glenn, go, go. Check. Okay, correct. Push, push, push. Push the phone. Okay. Yan. Yan. Push the other phone. Yan. Okay, check. Okay. Push the other phone. Okay, go, Sir Glad, go. Okay, check. Okay, push the phone. Check. Okay. Push the phone. Okay, it's winning. Okay, Queen. Queen, Queen, Queen. Yan. Very good. Okay, there's a skewer. Okay. Okay. Congrats, Sir Glenn. Okay. Okay, mate. Congratulations, Sir Glenn. Okay, so we have 3-1. And let's go back here. So that's 3-1 for the round 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 teams. And we're going to look first with Carlo Martinez. Bawi tayo, no? Carlo Martinez. Time. Taste the game. So the white is attacking, but the black has also counter here. Let's go to Manggubat. Manggubat. So according to the computer, black is leading. Black is leading. How? How? Because of that. Okay, then let's go to the game of Sir Glenn. Sir Glenn's game. It's equal according to the computer. Let's go to Fernando's game. Sir Fernando. Okay, he's leading. I hope he can manage to win this. Last time, maybe because of internet connection. That's the reason why that happens. He has already 40 seconds. And you cannot capture the rook because it is pinned. Okay, what should he do? There, he also pinned the bishop. Oh, there's a fork here. Knight fork. Capture, capture. Oh! But there's a pin. But then, yeah. Take that with, oh, time pressure. Time pressure. Oh, good. 5 seconds. Oh, it goes by time. That's okay. Let's go back to Fernando. That's Fernando, right? J Wins, Fanny Falcon, and Sir Glenn. So most likely, they really move fast. Our opponents move fast. They move fast because meaning they're very confident with their opening moves. That's why our friends, our companions had a difficulty in. So also Carlo Martinez lost to National Master. So let's try to see the game. So this is the final game. So all the pieces are, what's that? Okay. All the pieces are in good place. Oh, there is an attack here. If this will be removed, there's a mate here. Sinain. Ayun, sinain na lang. Yun, sinain lang yung phone. So, nangyari, one piece. Except na lang mate. Simplify. It's a checkmate. Hindi nakita ni Carlo. So, let's go back. So, naglaro na si Sir Glenn. Sir Glenn na lang. 15 seconds si Sir Glenn. Hold on, hold on. Anong nangyari sa game ni Manggubat? Let's see. Second round. Labas lahat ko. Bumalik lang doon. Parang yun, kauna ng attack ng ang ano. Yun, nakain ang phone. Nakain ang phone. Double rock talaga, no? So, ubusan ng oras. Tingnan natin yung laro ni Sir Glenn. Ano nangyari sa laro ni Sir Glenn? Okay po. Natalo po kami sa Chesley 1. Pangalan na Chesley. Chesley, natalo po kami. So, okay lang. So, guys, maraming salamat sa, maraming salamat kina Carlo, ni Chidor, ng Gubat, ni Sir Glenn, ni Sir Fernando sa game. So, medyo malakas ang kalaban natin. So, anyway, okay lang. Pagbutihan natin next time. So, thank you, Ronald, Sulon. Pasensya hindi nakapaglaro dahil sa huli ng gising. Tapos dito, at least nagkaroon tayo ng parang YouTube video po. So, Yun, goodbye everyone. See you po sa mga laro natin. Okay? Please subscribe sa Sir Parts Online. Ano pa ba to?